What's up, everybody? And we got Barrel and Blade Tactical Outfitters. I love these guys.
Well, check this out because I'm kind of excited to see this for myself.
Right here, November 2018 box. Good day when you get home, and it's right there. So let's get into these. These guys are always doing good stuff. This is the level 2. It's like $89 plus shipping and handling. One of the really good quality boxes you get out there. You always get your bang for your buck. I mean, that's the way I look at it, but I'm excited. Let's get into it. All right. So, got tape. And some more tape if I can get it down. There we go. Put that away before I cut myself. And this is what we got. Ooh. Looks like a bag of some sort too. I like it. And here's your card. Wait a minute. Wait. Hold on a second here. Oh, Barrel and Blade made an oopsie. That's September's contents card box. Operation Plate Carrier. Where we got plate carriers. So, but it'll kind of give you the idea. You got level 1, level 2. Yeah, it's really been working out too well today. So, okay. Not really seeing any other card in here, so I guess we'll just get into it. So, alright, we'll start with this guy. The Pathfinder Stainless Steel Bottle Nesting Cup Set. And look on the side, 32 ounce stainless steel wide mouth bottle, 25 ounce bat wing handles, and a cup. Okay, so it kind of looks like a little camp cook set kind of thing, cup deal. If I can get into it. Which, I'm sure you need an engineering degree to get into this stuff. Alright, there we go. And there's the lid. Oh, okay, I've seen these before. Yeah, that's basically what this is, like a little camping kind of set. It all kind of goes together. Now you can carry your water in here, and then you can boil it in here with the little lid. It's kind of friction fitted on there. Steam holes the pen. And here's your bat wing handles. Ooh. So yeah, so you can use that, make yourself some soup, whatever, heat up your coffee, heat water, and you're good to go. And then when it's all done, you put it back in. I don't know where this should go though. That just rides there, I guess. But yeah, I kind of didn't think about where that should do with the lid. Cool, that could be useful, especially going camping. Alright, so that's not too bad. So I'm guessing there, I ain't really guessing yet. Alright, get that out of the way. Save that one. No, we'll just get into this, get it out of the way. What do we have here? Camelback. Maximum gear. Oh, okay. That looks cool. Always can use one of these. Oh look, spice package. Can never have too many of those. Oh, and look. We got more. We're good to go. We can make tacos tonight. It's awesome. Alright, so let's get that out of the way. Yeah, here we are. The Mil-Spec Antidote by Camelback. And that's pretty darn cool right there. You got your straps, of course, your chest strap. So you're good to go. There's a little pocket right there. Yeah, I'm kind of stoked about it. Oh, that's latched right there, so let's undo that. Little zippy tie. So there we go, we got undo that. We got a compartment here that unzips. Ooh, look at that one. Little flat fill kind of deal. And there we go. That's how you open it. Nice big wide mouth for filling that. And it looks like you can just kind of hold it and fill it up with water, just like so. Nice and flat. Got a little handle there. And screw your lid back on. Or try to. There you go. Yeah, it's got a little keyway in there. I'm not sure what. Oh, this is like to hold that right there, because then the whole bladder. I don't know if y'all can see, but the bladder's in position down in there. So that's cool. And then you just zip it back closed. Stays clean. Alright, what else we got here? Little Zippo compartment right there. Got some mesh in it. Little place maybe to hold your keys if you're out hiking. Throw some other stuff in there. Some energy bars, some snacks. Little bug spray. Be all good. Zip it back up. And we can kind of attach that back. You could probably even stuff something in between there. But it looks like it's got a little bit of webbing here. You maybe put another pouch or something on there. Yeah. D-rings that hold everything everywhere. You got your little straw. It's got a little valve on it too, apparently. Yep, little bite valve on there. Not sure what this does. It's got like an on-off switch kind of thing, and then another push button. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into that one, but definitely kind of cool. And you got your little Camelback logo on there, so you're all good. Very cool. Very, very, very cool. That's something that'll come very, very useful, apparently. Especially in West Texas when it's hotter than crud out. Nice. And it's actual Camelback product, so it's nothing cheap. Alright, so next we got in here Purinize. And I'm assuming this is for water purification. Of course it usually is. Which I'm not drinking out of a muddy puddle unless I have to. Yep, water purification drops. Treats up to 15 gallons of water. So I guess if you were out and you had to refill your Camelback, and I don't even know how many gallons that is, because apparently we got the wrong card. So we'll have to email them and see what happens with that. But yeah, so those are always very useful, especially if you're out. Maybe you want to boil some water and you want it pure. You need to have that. And they usually typically send about 5, 6 items, 4 or 5, somewhere in there. And last but not least is you always get a knife. And I don't even know how to pronounce that. Kotu Tento knife. Yeah, we've seen these before. These are pretty interesting ones. And they're pretty interesting to get into, but let's get into it. If I can not do it without cutting myself. Is it just me, or is it ironic you need a knife to get into a knife? Maybe you just ought to make something for scissors. Well, I know they make those little things for the blister packs, but I don't know. For soccer moms, I guess. Alright, so let's get this cat out of here. There we go. Oh, hey, there's a bunch of stuff on the back too, so if you want to pause and check all that out, get it in there. Okay, ready. Nice. Nice sheath. What do we got here? Oh, that's a good, nice little utility blade. I'm not a big fan of the half serration, half blade. I don't like the serrations that they give on them. Just, to me, you can't sharpen it. They get dull quick. And by the time you try sharpening this, they all look weird and everything. So if you use this thing for a long time, it's gonna look weird. But it's really nice, kind of stiff. Feels rather sharp. Not too bad. Gear aid. That's what it says on the side. So, what was this like? I don't know, it's just gear aid. Might be an offshoot of something, but doesn't feel too bad. You know, kind of ergonomics, but comes with a nice little plastic sheath. Ooh, nice positive lock on that one, and it's stuck in there. It's in. Oh, gotcha. So you got to hit this little tab here to pop it out, I guess. And I guess you could do that either way, or put it in either way. Oh, that's kind of nice, actually. I know I keep pulling it away to the top because I do. But yeah, it's got a little metal clip on the back, and it looks like that's movable also. So you might be able to change it to a different position. And of course you got your little strapping on the sides here where you can kind of maybe run a strap through it, attach it to the gear. Oh, you can attach it to your Camelback. Let's see. Yeah, the clips ain't gonna fit. Yeah, you could probably. I'm sure somebody'd figure out a way to do that. But you could attach it there or some other gear or something like that. But yeah, nice. Got a bottle opener on there. Why does everything have a bottle opener? It's like we forget, you know, what else can we put on this thing? A bottle opener. Cause yeah, every time you're stranded in the woods, you find a bottle and you gotta open it. So you gotta have that. And it's got a little nice little point on there for doing whatever you gotta do, I guess, whether you're breaking windows or smashing temples. But all in all, not too bad. I think we can find a use for this. Got some jimping up here, so that give it a little bit more. But so that's pretty much the end of it, I believe. Yep, that's it. Unless you want the spice packages, maybe we'll do a giveaway on those and make some stew or tacos, whatever you prefer. So that is Blade and Barrel for November 2018. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll get some more of this stuff in for you. Appreciate it. You guys have a great day.